This is Ian Lamont. I've been selling on Amazon for more than 20 years, and today I'm going to show you how to set up standard Amazon coupons under the new time limits. If this video helps, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So we are in Amazon Seller Central. This is a pro level account. I'm a private labeler, so I have my own brand, and I'm going to be advertising a certain type of coupon for one of my products. One thing I want to point out before I get into actually creating the coupon, you'll note that some of my coupons, they start in September, they end in December. This is actually coupons that were set up under the old system, which allowed you to basically create a coupon that's 2 or 3 months long. That's no longer possible, and I'll show you exactly what's going on with that. So to get to this particular page, go to the hamburger menu, select advertising, select coupons. You'll come here, then you're going to create a new coupon, and you have a couple different options here. I'm just doing a standard coupon. So standard coupons, as of right now, they're currently 30 days maximum. You can't make it any longer than that. So I'm going to be selecting all customers, but if you want to, you could do it just by a certain brand. And then you have to search by product name or ASIN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the ASIN that I'm using and press the little magnifying glass. And here it is right here. This is correct. I only have 18 in stock, and that actually might prove to be an issue. I'll find out about that in a second. I'm a small seller, by the way. I'm not like one of these giant sellers who's doing millions of dollars in revenue per month. But the idea is the same. It works the same, actually. So I selected this particular item, go back to the top of the screen, and then select Continue. And here is the start date. I find it interesting that select a duration for your coupon between 1 and 90 days because they just made an announcement that it's basically 30 days, but who knows? Maybe they'll give me a break on that. So I'm going to set it for, let's say, starting tomorrow, and then I'm not even going to bother making it 90 days. I'm just going to make it 30 days because I know they're not going to give me any more. I think that if I did more than 30 days, I think what would happen is later on I'd get an error message. So I'm just not even going to deal with that. So I'm going to have it run through October the 6th, which is a Sunday, and then set a discount. Now, I'm going to have this, I want to be pretty aggressive with this discount. Of course, anytime you do a discount, understand your margins. Like I'm going to do 20%, but if my margin was less than 20%, it would not make any sense to do something like this unless I was really trying to get rid of inventory, like inventory that wasn't selling. But I'm just going to do 20%. I'm going to limit the redemption to 1 per customer, and then you have to give it a budget because there are costs associated with running coupons. So I'm just going to do $200 because there's not that many items I have available. And then you give the coupon a title. Save 20% on. I always make it uppercase text. So I'm going to say genealogy chart sampler. Stack promotions. This is important. If you're already running another promotion like a Prime Day deal or Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and you have a coupon on top of it, that means Amazon will combine them if they're stacked. But recently they've allowed a way to prevent that from happening. So I'm going to actually use that. Typically what happens with this is people either forget that they're running another promotion for a particular ASIN, or they're doing like a big Black Friday, Cyber Monday promotion for all of their ASINs, and then they add a coupon and they forget that they're running this. They're already running something for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And of course, the bad thing that happens here is sometimes you see sellers complaining about this. Sometimes it's like, "Hey, I just gave 90% off the list price for my item," and they're just getting totally reamed on that. So I'm going to say no, do not allow stacking. I don't think it's a problem because I'm usually pretty careful with how I set up my promotions, but now it's a chance for me to review what I have going on. You can see all the details here. This looks right to me, and I'm going to submit it up here, top right corner. We've received your coupon submission. Let's see if I don't want to create another ad. So it says right here, it's processing. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow just to see if it's actually working. Sometimes you'll get a notification needs attention, or it will say something like rejected or ineligible or something like that, and you need to look into it and see what happened. But I think this is going to be okay. The only fly in the ointment is the number of items I have in stock. So I may want to actually send some more in because once you're offering something 20% off, they tend to go pretty fast. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I shall see you next time.